To add PayPal to Crunchyroll, start by logging into your Crunchyroll account on the website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page, then selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings section, look for the Membership or Billing Information tab. This is where you will find options to manage your payment methods. Click on this tab to view your current payment methods and add a new one. To add PayPal as a payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. You will be presented with a list of available payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and other services. Select PayPal from the list to begin the process of adding it as a payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to authenticate and authorize Crunchyroll to charge your PayPal account. Log into your PayPal account and follow the prompts to complete the authorization process. This may involve confirming your PayPal account information and agreeing to the terms of service. Once you have authorized Crunchyroll to charge your PayPal account, you will be redirected back to the Crunchyroll website. Your PayPal account should now be listed as a payment method in your account settings. You can use this payment method to pay for your Crunchyroll membership or other purchases on the site. It is a good idea to review your payment methods and ensure that your PayPal account is listed as the default payment method if you want to use it for future purchases. You can also remove or edit payment methods from this section if needed. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal as a payment method on Crunchyroll and take advantage of the convenience and security that PayPal offers. This can help to streamline your payments and make it easier to manage your Crunchyroll membership.